Thank you for your interest in my lecture at the EARLI 2019 conference in Aachen. My name is Lydia Krabbendam. I'm a professor of developmental neuropsychology at the Vrije Universiteit in Amsterdam. In this video clip, I will give you a short overview of the contents of my lecture on educational neuroscience. What is educational neuroscience? In this talk, I would like to highlight two approaches that we have used to make our research in cognitive neuroscience more educationally relevant. The first approach is to incorporate elements from the educational environment in our experimental designs. For example, in one study, we investigated the effects of peer feedback on performance on a cognitive control task. We used pictures of disliked and liked peers and investigated how these influenced reaction time and accuracy in adolescents. In another study, we manipulated different types of feedback, for example, praise for traits versus praise for performance. An exciting new development is the use of portable neuroimaging devices, such as EEG and FNIRS. These allow taking neuroimaging outside the lab and into the classroom and other real-life settings. My colleague Nienke van Attenveld, who is the current coordinator of EARLI SIG Neuroscience and Education, has recently initiated an emerging field group in this area. In her own research, she applies portable EEG as a tool to show students that they can actually influence their own brain activity, which may be a powerful experience that can foster their motivation to learn. Second, educational neuroscience for us also means that we invest in accurate communication of our results. This selection of recent headlines shows why this is important. Brain findings are prone to misinterpretation, and this may trigger false expectations and maybe even wrong practices. And this may in turn lead to skepticism when brain science cannot live up to these expectations. In our group, we apply a responsible research and innovation approach, in which stakeholders such as teachers, parents, adolescents are involved in every step of the research. Together with the researchers, these stakeholders discuss their expectations of the studies, ethical issues, possible negative impacts. Their perspectives are used in the design of the study and the communication of the results. This way, we hope educational neuroscience as an interdisciplinary field can pave the middle road, discarding the myth and encouraging the promising directions. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I hope to see you at the EARLI 2019 meeting in Aachen.